To attach the replacement black box, we'll work in the reverse order that we used to remove the old black box. Remove your replacement unit from the box it was shipped in and lay it on the floor at the rear of the vacuum tanks. Be sure to save the packaging your replacement unit arrived in and use it to ship the old black box to Kaivac. Refer to the packing and shipping video module in the library for detailed instructions. We'll begin by reattaching the water and return lines to the freshwater tank. The water and return lines are two different sizes, eliminating any confusion as to which hose attaches to which connection point. Attach the larger water lines to the barb on the bottom of the freshwater tank. Then slide the clamp into place and tighten it down with a flathead screwdriver or 1/4-inch driver to maintain a secure connection. Then, repeat the process with the smaller return line. Slide the clamp into place and tighten it down. Once the hoses are securely fastened to the freshwater tank, tilt the tanks back and lower them into position on the top of the black box assembly. Ensure that the bolt inserts align with the bolt holes on the black box. Now, replace the bolts we removed earlier and tighten them in place. The metal hook bolt will go into the top position on the spray line side of the black box. Locate the pressure line connector and attach the hook bolt at this location. Make sure all 4 bolts are securely tightened in place. With the black box attached to the system, we can stand the unit upright. Lift with your legs and tilt the unit back until it is back in an upright position. Now, reattach the vacuum intake hose to the top of the vacuum tank. Next, plug the electrical cord into the black box and wrap the electrical cord back onto the system. Then, reattach the pressure hose. Pull up on the collar on the end of the pressure hose and push the hose down over the barb. Then release the collar, locking the hose in place. Ensure that the hose is secure and that the collar is in the full down position. Then wrap the pressure hose back onto the system. Finally, reconnect the chemical to the system by placing the chemical bottle onto the top of the system and screwing the cap onto the bottle. Your system is now ready to resume cleaning operations. Fill your system with fresh water and continue cleaning with your replacement black box. It's very important that you return your old black box along with the Kite Tutor as quickly as possible. Please refer to the packaging and shipping video module for detailed instructions for returning your black box.